Okay, packing up for Dayton. I still got a little room, so I may take this Tram D201 modified. Somebody put in a 40 channel LED PLL in it instead of the crystal bank in it. So it's got 40 channels, PLL in it. And this one has been modified to not dead key too much, but it does a lot of swinging. So we just put it on the bench right quick and gonna key it up on the dummy load. On the meter there, it's showing it's dead keying about 2 watts, and audio, swinging about 7, 8. But over here on the watt meter, on the dummy load, we gonna put it on average. And we just did keying 1.5 watts. Audio. And swinging about 8, 9 on average. Hello. And last, right quick, we gonna put it on peak. I like this radio a lot. Not sure I'm gonna take it or not, but we got so many. Who knows? Audio. Hanging around 20 plus watts. From that 1.5 watt dead key on peak. Audio. It's a banging tram right there. And we do like the 40 channel PLL in it. No crystal synthesizer board problems, but and somebody redid the sides. We like the sides on it too, those way they redid the wood sides. And I'll show inside of this one right quick. That's that PLL somebody put in it, not me. I can do PLLs, but I don't like them. I don't like to. I'm an analog man, and PLLs, it's a digital world, so I try to stay away from it. Got the big fat 6L6 tube in it. Or that might be a 6550, I don't know. I didn't redo this one. It's been recapped, reworked. No hum, very quiet. 6L6 final tube. So that's gonna be it on this modified Tram 40 channel D201. Bye.